Hey, hi, and welcome back. In this lab demo, let's see how you can install the Windows file system agent on the Windows client that you're seeing here, the virtual machine. So for that, first I need to see whether I have an cache available or not. So I logged it into the ComServe machine, and then I open from the COM vault, I have opened the ComServe console, and then go to the tools, add or remove software, and there is something called software cache configuration. So if you go into that, software cache, ComServe software cache details. Now you can see that. So you have the base package for Windows x64, which means so from the ComServe machine you can remotely install on any Windows client ComVault packages, right? So that means you can remotely install the ComVault packages from your centralized admin server, which is called as a ComServe, right? Or console console or console machine. So say OK and then again OK. Now what I have to do, I'll show you how you can, install the Windows file system agent from the command center. So I have opened the browser. The URL for the command center is the IP, so the host name or IP address of your ComServe / command center, right? So how to open it from here? Commvault, and then open the Commvault command center. So that will open this window. Okay, and over here, so you have to go to you see there is a protect option, right? So minimize up, and if you go down, you see there should be manage servers, right? So manage servers option, let us go, and then from here you're adding a new server. Okay, click on new server, add server, and it is asking the host name. What is the host name of the server where you are installing the Commvault packages? So you can read this description, one-line description. Select this method to install the software packages on your computer. Select this method to complete the installation if the software package already installed on your computer, right? So don't worry about that, even if you don't understand that. So what you have to enter here is you have to provide the host name, right? The host name of your computer where you wanted to remotely install this Commvault package, right? So for here, if you go to the Windows client, try to open the command prompt and find out the IP address. The command is ipconfig. So this is the IP address, right? So and come back to the ComServe. Before you even install it, what you have to do? You have to see if that particular host is reachable. Try to do the ping test. Okay, see that ping is working. Okay, so that means your ComServe computer can communicate with this Windows client virtual machine. Okay, so we go to that ComServe again and minimize the command prompt. So enter the IP address, right, of the Windows client. So select the operating system. So operating system type is Windows, and credentials you have to enter, right? Credentials are for the administrator credentials. So here you can see the example domain / username. Here it is asking the format of the username. You should enter it domain / username. I don't have any domain in my setup, right? So for that, what I can use is that /, right? And then I have to give the username which I have for that particular Windows client /administrator and password of that machine and re-enter the password and packages, like what packages I want to install. So you go down here, I want to install the file system package. Okay, select that file system package, and the remaining things, plan and other options, we can do that later. So installation location is optional, so you can ignore that option part. So by default it will pick up, so you don't have to select anything. So click on install. Okay, now say okay. You want to monitor the job. So now the new job might have started. What you have to do, you have to go to that job section. See that there is one job ID showing, right? We click on that job ID. So now here you can see the install software started. You go to the client section. You can see the progress here. This is the client IP status. It is in progress. Reason client is new. So installing the packages. So let's wait for that installation to finish, and then I'll pass it and then come back. Okay, so now I can see the installation is completed. So here, if you can, so on the command center window, if you go navigate a little bit down, manage, go to the server section. So try to, here in the type you see infrastructure, right? So select the all here. I can see that. So one new machine added here. So that's the name here. So this is the name of the host. And if you see the roles here, you click on that roles. So okay, let me see what is the name of that client machine. So we go to that Windows client and type the host name. So the host name is something. Let's find out that. So it is ending with HV80. Okay. So HV80 is this one, right? The machine that is installed right now is this one. So what are the agent installed? You click on here, the file system agent is installed here. Okay, this is how you can check the agents installed here. And we go to that protect option. You scroll down, there is a file server option. You can see that. So the same machine you can see in the file servers also. The reason is because I have installed the file system agent. That's why it's showing in the file servers. If I have installed the database agent, then that machine would have shown up here also. If I have installed some, you know, uh, like for example, any other application, it should have been shown up here also, right? Okay, because they have installed the file system agent, it's showing in the file servers too, right? So yeah, I'll stop the session. Thank you.